3 careers that can make you a crorepati in your 20s. Number 1, copywriting. What is copywriting? Copywriting is nothing but writing a copy which can persuade people to make a next decision or buy something or share the email ID. Copywriting is one of the high income skills you can learn in your 20s. Number 2, high ticket closing. You see, there are so many coaches, trainers, and even businesses looking for good closers. And these closers are actually different than the salespeople. Salespeople have to follow the entire process from prospecting to closing. But closers are only specialized in closing high ticket deals. Number 3, content marketing managers. You see, content has become the pulse of the market. Any company who is not creating content, not distributing content, not adding value to people through videos like this, guess what? They're going to be out of business. But guess what? There's a shortage of people who are content marketing, content creation. This is 3 career opportunities you can follow to become a crorepati.